Keep your garden neat with the best hedge trimmers. Discover top gas, electric, and battery-powered models for fast, precise, and effortless trimming. Starting at number 1, easygoing stretch sofa slipcover. The BrotherWorks Smart 1410 wireless color inkjet all-in-one printer MFC J1410DW is a compact, multifunction printer designed for home offices and small businesses. It combines printing, copying, and scanning in one device, featuring a 2.7-inch color touchscreen for easy navigation and seamless integration with popular cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. The printer supports automatic duplex printing, a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, and a 150-sheet paper tray, making it efficient for everyday tasks. With wireless and USB connectivity and print speeds of up to 16 ppm in black and 9 ppm in color, it delivers reliable performance, vibrant color output, and convenient mobile printing through the Brother Mobile Connect app, providing a versatile and user-friendly solution for home and small office environments. Number 2, ULTICOR Velvet Recliner Sofa Covers. The ULTICOR Velvet 8 Pieces Recliner. Sofa covers are a stretchy, velvet fabric slipcover set designed to refresh and protect 3-seater reclining sofas. Fits most sofas size 69 Bazziare. Made from soft, luxurious velvet plush material, these covers replace old or worn upholstery while adding a comfortable, premium look to your furniture. The 8-piece design includes separate pieces for the arms and back seat section, so that recliner functions remain usable even with the covers on, and elastic edges with tie loops help keep the cover snug and non-slip. They protect against stains and wear, extend your sofa's life, and are easy to install and machine washable for simple care and maintenance. Number 3, VANSOFY Recliner Cover. The VANSOFY Recliner Cover 3 pieces stretch, reclining couch covers with pockets is a soft, stretchable slipcover set designed to protect and refresh 3-seater reclining sofas while providing practical storage. Made from a blend of 88% polyester and 12% spandex for a snug, tailored fit, it's ideal for sofas measuring about 72-91 inches in length and 30-41 inches in height, and adapts well to most reclining furniture shapes. The set includes 3 pieces, left, right, and seat covers, with built-in pockets for holding remotes, phones, or magazines, and helps guard against tears, stains, and everyday wear, making it perfect for homes with kids and pets. Installation is quick and simple, typically under 10 minutes, and the cover is machine washable for easy care and maintenance, while its stylish design enhances your living space. Number 4, TAOCOCO Recliner Sofa Cover. The TAOCOCO Recliner Sofa Cover Stretch Reclining Couch Cover is a soft, high-stretch slipcover set made from 88% polyester and 12% spandex jacquard fabric that protects your 3-seater reclining sofa from stains, spills, scratches, pet hair, and everyday wear while giving it a refreshed look. It's designed to fit most reclining sofas with seat width between about 69 and 91 inches and features elastic edges and anti-slip elements to help keep the cover securely in place. The 3-piece design includes separate sections for the arms and seat, making installation simple and ensuring the reclining functions still work, while built-in side pockets offer convenient storage for remotes and small items. This durable, machine-washable cover is ideal for homes with kids and pets and adds both style and protection to your furniture. Number 5, Ruaozz Recliner Sofa Cover. The Ruaozz Recliner Sofa Covers for reclining couches, 3-seater chocolate, are stretchy, washable slipcovers designed to protect and refresh your reclining sofa while adding both style and practicality. Made from a soft, breathable blend of 88% polyester and 12% spandex, these covers feature a 3-piece design with separate armrest and seat sections that are easy to install and help maintain the sofa's reclining function. An elastic bottom and anti-slip straps with buckles keep the cover securely in place, and utility pockets on both sides offer handy storage for remotes, phones, or magazines. With full coverage that guards against stains, pet hair, daily wear, and tear, these covers are ideal for homes with kids and pets and are machine washable for easy care and maintenance.